Hello everyone, how to edit the video with CapCut PC from the several photos. So I'm going to open the CapCut for PC and import some photos you want to edit. Alright, so just right to the track. You can just export the image duration. Go to menu, select settings, select edit and select image duration, so you can adjust for image duration. Click save. Alright, you can add effect. For example, I'm going to select the place effect just for the duration until finish the clips, and go to transition. You can select transition. For example, like the blur, add and apply to all the clip. Select duration. Alright. So you can add the audio, text, sticker, another effect, and you can also add the animation here. Alright, so if you finish editing the video, you can click export button in top right. Just click and alright, just turn on up the video exporting and then click export. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.